This isn't just a 1967 Pontiac GTO, it's a $149,900 American muscle legend with a roaring 400 V8 and a 4-speed manual that every collector dreams of. Wait until you hear it come alive. The year was 1967, and the muscle car war was reaching its peak. Automakers weren't just building transportation anymore, they were building legends. And standing proudly among the greatest machines ever to leave Detroit was the Pontiac GTO, a car that helped define an entire generation of American performance. Today we're looking at an absolutely stunning example, finished in gorgeous gold with a black interior, carrying a price tag of $149,900. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why collectors continue to chase this iconic machine. From the very first glance, this GTO commands attention. The deep gold paint catches every reflection with elegance, while still radiating the aggressive personality that made the GTO a household name. Every body line flows effortlessly from the sharp front grille to the muscular rear quarters, creating a design that looks just as impressive today as it did nearly 6 decades ago. The factory-style GTO badging proudly reminds everyone that this is no ordinary classic. This is one of the cars that started the muscle car revolution. Sitting on factory-style wheels wrapped with BF Goodrich 225/70 R14 redline radial tires, the stance is perfectly balanced. Those famous redline tires complete the authentic late 1960s appearance and instantly transport enthusiasts back to the golden era of American horsepower. But the real magic begins under the hood. Lift the hood, and you're greeted by the legendary Pontiac 400 cubic inch V8 engine. This powerhouse became one of the most respected engines of its generation, delivering effortless torque and the unmistakable sound that only a classic American V8 can produce. Feeding this engine is a factory-style 4-barrel carburetor, maintaining the authentic character that collectors value so highly. Turn the key and the engine fires to life with an unmistakable rumble. Every pulse through the exhaust reminds you that this machine was built during an era when horsepower ruled the streets. The upgraded Flowmaster mufflers amplify that deep, aggressive exhaust note without sacrificing the classic Pontiac personality. It's a sound that instantly grabs attention and never gets old. Power is sent through one of the most desirable transmissions ever installed in a muscle car, the legendary Muncie 4-speed manual gearbox. Every gear change becomes part of the driving experience. Instead of simply pressing the accelerator, you're actively connected to the car, rowing through each gear while feeling the full force of that massive V8 engine. Backing up the drivetrain is a factory-style rear end equipped with the sought-after Posi-Traction differential and a performance-friendly 3.55:1 gear ratio. That combination delivers excellent acceleration while remaining comfortable enough for spirited cruising. It's exactly the type of setup enthusiasts dream about when searching for a true driver's muscle car. Despite all its performance, this GTO remains surprisingly enjoyable to drive thanks to power steering, making every corner and parking maneuver much easier while preserving the authentic driving feel that classic car enthusiasts appreciate. Walk around the vehicle, and every angle tells a story. The sculpted hood, flowing fenders, chrome accents, and timeless proportions demonstrate why the 1967 Pontiac GTO remains one of the most beautiful muscle cars ever produced. Nothing feels excessive. Every design element serves a purpose, blending elegance with raw performance. The attention to detail continues underneath. The underside has been professionally finished in black, creating a clean and well-maintained appearance. A brand new exhaust system, new hardware, and quality restoration work showcase the level of care invested in preserving this American icon. These details may not always be visible, but collectors know they're every bit as important as the glossy paint above. Open the driver's door, and you're welcomed into a beautifully restored black vinyl interior. The bucket seats provide classic muscle car comfort while maintaining the factory appearance. Rich black carpeting stretches across the cabin, creating a clean and sophisticated atmosphere. Directly ahead sits the iconic 3-spoke steering wheel, perfectly framing the factory-style Pontiac gauges. Warm wood trim adds an upscale touch, reminding you that the GTO wasn't simply about brute force. It also delivered style and comfort. The factory radio remains in place, preserving the original character of the dashboard, while an aftermarket gauge pod discreetly provides additional engine monitoring for modern confidence during spirited driving. Then your hand naturally reaches for the legendary 4-speed shifter. It's more than just a gear selector. It's a direct connection to one of the greatest performance eras in automotive history. Every shift feels mechanical, deliberate, and incredibly satisfying. This is the type of car that transforms every drive into an unforgettable event. Whether you're cruising through town, arriving at a weekend car show, or simply enjoying a quiet back road, the GTO delivers an experience that modern performance cars struggle to replicate. There are no complicated driving modes, oversized touchscreens, or artificial exhaust sounds, just pure American V8 performance. Vehicles like this have become increasingly desirable among collectors because they represent a defining chapter in automotive history. The combination of timeless styling, a legendary Pontiac 400 V8, the Muncie 4-speed manual, Posi-Traction rear axle, and authentic factory-inspired restoration makes this example exceptionally appealing with an asking price of $149,900. This isn't simply purchasing a classic automobile. It's acquiring a piece of American automotive history that continues to appreciate in both admiration and collector demand. Cars of this quality rarely stay available for long because enthusiasts recognize the opportunity when it appears. The 1967 Pontiac GTO isn't just remembered as one of the greatest muscle cars ever built. It remains one of the most respected symbols of performance, freedom, and craftsmanship. It represents an era when engines were larger, styling was bolder, and every drive felt like an adventure. If this incredible 1967 Pontiac GTO earned a place in your dream garage, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we'll continue bringing you some of the world's most amazing classic muscle and collector cars. Until next time, keep your passion for horsepower alive, and we'll see you in the next ride.